TV.
Hello kids, let's draw and color 1, 2, 3 and ABC.
Wow!
One, two,
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
three, A, B, C,
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together
pink color.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall.
I am coloring 1,
Great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
pink 1, light green color. 2,
Humpty Dumpty sat on a
I am coloring number
Humpty had a
2,
all the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
red color. 3, I am coloring 3, red 3,
Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together
sky blue color. 'A', I am coloring A. A for apple. Yellow color.
Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
B for ball. violet color.
Humpty
C.
Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All
I am coloring
and all the kings
C.
put Humpty together again.
C for cat. One, two, three. A, B, C.
Humpty Dumpty had a
Tutu TV. Please like, share and subscribe.